Could trade places with a celebrity for a day, who would it be and what are you doing?
I probably had to be Savannah James. Like, I'm gonna be able to call LeBron daddy, like, and nobody gonna think it's weird. Like, he's like GOAT, like pops. I lost my dad when I was younger, so like, I used to always look at him on the court, be like, damn man, what if he was my dad?
So LeBron got 3 kids, and you could have switched spots. So I don't know.
I could
Bronny
be a
James.
sport.
You could do like Bryce.
You could do Bryce Bronny.
Nah, I don't like the way they call him daddy. I won't call him daddy how Savannah call him daddy.
Bro.
How do you know how Savannah calls him daddy though?
I could just imagine. Like, imagine what she be saying.
All right, you good. You good, brother. You good. You have a good day, man.